The video covered just about everything there is to know about plagiarism. Again, plagiarism really centers around this idea of using someone else's work without giving due credit to the creator. For this section, we'll just focus on what's known as verbatim plagiarism, which is taking direct passages from books, articles, the web, really anything without using quotes and citations. Of course, paraphrasing without a citation is also plagiarizing, but we'll talk more about this later on in the tutorial. So, what do we mean about a direct passage? Well, a direct passage includes an entire section of a paragraph or more from a source, such as a book or an article. But keep in mind that even using an exact sentence or phrase without quotes and a proper citation from a source still counts as plagiarizing. Let's see some examples. Let's say you have a paper due on mob rule. You found a great book to use, and you start writing out your point, which is in this case to emphasize the rates of violence in different Western countries. You begin your paper by writing, "Violence within Western society is well documented." Then, to strengthen this idea, you add, "Homicide rates had doubled or tripled, rising dramatically in little more than a generation in Western nations." Let's take a closer look at this. The text in red is plagiarized. How? Simply because this is an exact sentence taken from a book. The book in this case is Lisa Miller's The Myth on Mob Rule, and this sentence is found on page 27. Let's fix this error, because if you submit a paper like this, then you will not pass the assignment. Now, what you see in light blue are the elements required to properly make a citation. We have quotation marks and, in parentheses, the author and page number. This is known as an in-text citation. You need to make sure that you include a works cited page, also known as a bibliography, at the end of the paper. The works cited paper will include a more formed reference to this citation. This is also seen in blue. We'll see additional examples of verbatim plagiarism later on in this tutorial.